on to northwestern China. The city of Xi'an has resumed normal travel and business activities, but people from medium and high-risk areas are required to not leave the city if not necessary. All kindergartens and primary and middle schools also opened on Monday in the city. Xi'an went into lockdown late last year because of a significant COVID outbreak. There's also relieving news from the southern Chinese city of Shenzhen, where the number of new cases is going down. Business has already resumed, and city officials say restrictions will be lifted starting on Monday, but daily control and prevention measures remain. Xu Hua has more.
The first day back to work starts with several steamed stuffed buns, crowded sidewalk, and a road full of cars. Mr. Qiao is one of Shenzhen's workers eager to make up lost time during the nearly 1 week suspension.
After working from home for a week, everyone brought their computers back to the company this morning after the government announced the reopening, and our bidding date was rescheduled to this Wednesday. Everyone is getting back to work.
To ensure a stable supply chain, the government is implementing a customized epidemic control policy for each individual enterprises or factory. Authorities say they've stopped COVID-19 transmission nearly everywhere except for some parts of Futian district, where control measures are still in place.
We will continue to strengthen control of communities and villages in cities, strictly implement temperature checks, a mask mandate, and other prevention and control measures. We also implement health code and electronic sentry requirements. People who enter or leave their own districts or neighborhoods must show a negative COVID test taken in the past 48 hours.
At the epicenter of Shenzhen's outbreak is Shangsha village, which is currently under lockdown. We can see medical workers and volunteers delivering food and daily necessities to those in the community. Hundreds of volunteers are staying next to the village in makeshift houses at Shangsha Middle School. Volunteers are on call to help lend a hand in a timely manner.
Local authorities say the city's epidemic situation is still severe, and that continuous efforts are still needed for a final victory. Xu Hua, CGTN, Shenzhen.